Is it possible for you to become a millionaire holding KDA? In today's video, we're going to be looking at how many KDAs you need to exactly become a millionaire by 2024 and if it is possible. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Now, I know a lot of people have been very impatient with the KDA price action recently. A lot of people have been telling me, oh, I'm selling all my KDAs, Kadena's dead, the volume's low, everything's dying, that's it, it's over. First of all, you need to understand that it's still Bitcoin season. We can see right here on the altcoin season index that it is not even close to being an altcoin season. So most of the money will be flowing into Bitcoin. When we are in a recession or in a crazy critical time right now, it doesn't matter if it's high inflation, recession, wars, people are going to put their money in the safest asset possible, which is Bitcoin. And this is what's happening right now. We can see right here that the Bitcoin season is currently on the downside. And in order for us to enter a major altcoin season or a lot of money to essentially flow into altcoins, we need to see this thing start to move up. Now, we don't need to reach 75 in order to be a altcoin season, yes, but we need to reach that 75 frame. Now, if we have a look on the altcoin month index, we can see that we're currently sitting at number 2. So this is actually the lowest it's been in over 3 years. Having a look at the altcoin year, we know that when the bear market started, essentially, we've just been trending towards the downside. And we know we haven't been this low since May 20th, 2020. So before you guys start panicking, you need to understand that everything will be okay. And it's only a matter of time before things start reversing. Now, this is the Kadena To Millionaire chart right here. And is it possible for you to become Kadena? And how many KDAs do you need to become a millionaire by 2024? So we can see right here that in order for you to become a millionaire by 2024, 1,000 Kadenas times $1,000 would be 1 million. And of course, the cost would be $900. Now, is it possible for the price to be $1,000 by 2024? No. It is not probable, but it is not possible, okay? But no, I don't think it's gonna happen, at least not by 2024. Now, 250 is definitely possible, okay? 250 is a better target. Now, in order for you to become a millionaire, you would need to hold 5,000 KDAs. So of course, the more KDAs you hold, the more it's gonna make sense. And of course, the more realistic it's gonna be. And that's, I mean, this is not news. This is literally 4th grade stuff and you guys understand, but it's just to give you guys an infographic on how much it is and how much it would cost essentially. So 5,000 to 250, that would cost approximately $4,500 essentially. Now 10,000 to 100, that would cost $9,000. 10,000 KDAs for $9,000 for the price of KDA to go to $100 is very doable. And of course, 20,000 KDAs at a price of $50 would make you a millionaire if you invest $18,000 today. Now, of course, the price of KDA is currently sitting at 91 cents. If this keeps on decreasing, of course, you could pay more and essentially get more KDAs and you don't have to essentially invest as much, right? So assuming this goes to 50 cents, you could get a crap load of KDAs and then it could definitely go to 10, 15, even $30. And then you could become a millionaire if it goes to 40, 50 by investing $9,000, right? So this is exactly what is happening right now. The market cap is currently sitting at $204 million. Now that is very low. We know that the previous all-time market cap for crypto, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the altcoins, was approximately $3 trillion. $3 trillion is a lot of money. So we can see right here that Kadena can definitely be a market cap of 10, 20, 30, even $40 billion. It could do that because the next bull cycle, I really believe that the whole market cap of cryptocurrency will be anywhere between $7 to $9 trillion. $7 to $9 trillion, guys, is a lot of money. And KDA, look at that, 295,000 people on the watch list, ranked number 5. So this is a top 200, 300, 400 coins. I think the coins that are in the top 300, 400 will stay here for the long term because, guys, look, 23,000 cryptos are in circulation. Do you know how hard it is to be a top 150 ranking coin? And of course, a market cap of $204 million. $204 million at the end of the bear market is very good. Now, if KDA was at a $10 million, $20 million market cap coin, I would be a little bit concerned. But now 204 million is a lot, especially like I said, at the end of the bear market is exactly what we want to see. Overall, a lot of people were complaining about KDA. I remember when this went up all the way to $30, all time. People were complaining like, oh, I should have bought this at $1. This was, you know, like I had my opportunity. This was trending at $1.30 and I didn't buy it. And 5 weeks later it exploded, or 2 months later it exploded, and I should have bought. And people were crying and being sad and this and that. And there was always an excuse, right? But guess what? Now it is pretty much your best opportunity to essentially accumulate. Now, the smart money accumulates KDA right here when it's going sideways. $1, $1, $1.50, $1.30, 90 cents. This is where the real people accumulate, because people don't get rich investing right before things explode. People build wealth in the bear market. People build wealth when things go sideways for the longest time. So assuming you accumulate for the longest time, and I'm not talking about crap coin, because KDA is not a shit coin. I'm talking about something that's, you know, has a lot of tech, has a very good future, essentially has a good team, has good founders. And this is what essentially is going to explode in the future. Now, yes, it might take some time. No one knows exactly when the next bull market is going to start. It's supposed to start a few months after the halving, which is about a year and a half from now. Now, you literally have a year and a half to accumulate as much cryptocurrency. It doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, KDA, Ethereum, Veracity, Flux, Caspa. It doesn't matter what it is. What you believe in, you have a year and a half to essentially accumulate as much. Because if you guys have been following me for a while, I said that 2023 would essentially be accumulation year, and this is exactly what is happening. Things have been going sideways since 2023, and it's been very, very slow, very, very boring, except for Bitcoin's, you know, it's something else, and that's about it. Now, if we have a look at some TA real quick, we can see right now that KDA needs to hold the weekly time frame above this trend line. So yes, this trend line right here, the trend is your friend, and KDA needs to hold this area right here. Very, very, very important, because if KDA closes the weekly below this trend line right here, we're most likely going to see a move to 50 cents. So I don't think that's going to be the case for now. I think KDA will hold. I'm expecting a massive bounce from KDA. There's two things we could see right here. One, this could either be a head and shoulder, so we could see the right shoulder forming like that, and then we come down something like that. That's number one. Or two, a W pattern essentially. Can this be a W pattern? A lot of people are calling this a double bottom, but I don't know. I mean, I know we did have a double bottom right here. This was a double bottom right here. And as you guys can see, boom, boom, we broke the neckline right here and made a nice little explosion. But that's that. So we're going to have to see overall where this goes. I mean, overall, KDA is looking pretty oversold right here on the daily time frame. And in my opinion, we're most likely going to see a move to the upside. It's only a matter of when and not if. And on the daily time frame, we actually do have a double bottom right here, as you guys can see as I'm making this video. We wicked all the way back down right here, and we saw what happened when we essentially reversed. So usually when you have a downtrend right here and the candle, the daily candle ends like this, that's usually a sign of reversal. So we could have a double bottom right here on KDA. Of course, this would be the neckline right here sitting at $1.06. So this is your opportunity to buy the ultimate dip sitting at 91 cents. Don't complain that you should have bought 2 weeks ago and fast forward 2 weeks from now this video. So this is my video, guys, on KDA. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.